Well, good morning, YouTube. This is Jerry again. Today, I'm under my house. My wife said that she thought she heard our heater cycling, which a lot of times that just means your coil is dirty. So, I'm gonna go in and do a video, kind of show you how to clean your own coil in your heating system. It's really not hard to do. I used to be in heating and air conditioning, so I've kind of got mine ready to go. So, this is your heater, or your air handler, either one, depending on what you have. Boy, that doesn't look very good to me. The whole system looks, I mean, it looks good, but it looks like there's too much light. Anyway, so this right here is your coil box. It's attached to the one end of your heating system. There's your air handler or heater. So you can see all this tape. Now, normally, if there's a problem with your air handler being dirty, your coil, you're going to see this is going to be pushing out really hard. You can see it's not. It's all sucking in really well. So I don't think it's dirty. I think that it's fine. I don't see any problem with it. I mean, there is no indications to me that there's a problem. Actually, it's kind of sucking in a lot, really. Just kind of weird. You can see into the house here a little bit. So, yeah, it's actually sucking in quite a bit. And that's in itself kind of weird. Bottom two. Sucking in would tell me that there's a flow restriction before here somewhere. So I'm thinking there might be something else going on here, because let's just see if we can see something else happening here. I hate spiders. I'm most people, I hate spiders. Well, I don't see any problem. We're gonna open it up and take a look. We're just gonna take a look. It doesn't hurt to look and see what's going on, that's for sure. So you just, for me, it's just take all the tape off. And I brought a pocket knife with me, actually. Sorry about the crappy video, but I do it myself, so. We're just gonna cut a hole in it. And take the tape off in a big chunk. And we can get into this coil box a little easier. So you can see what I got going on anyway. Once you take the tape off, I just have a box. I have a hole cut in it. And I don't know what's going on. It's acting kind of weird to me. We'll see here in a minute. So you take all the tape off for me, and see, you'd have to more than likely cut this hole into yours. And open the box. And if you look inside, there's your coil. And so you see all the dirt on the coil. That is an indication that you need to clean it. It is pretty dirty, actually. So you just take a brush and literally just brush the coil off. And you'll see that that's gets most of the crap off of it. What you want to do is get the crap off. Top and the bottom. Get as much of this crap off as you possibly can. Actually, the coil's pretty dirty.
just keep cleaning it until you get all the dirt off. As much of it as you can, the majority of it. Like that. You can see this coil's pretty dirty. I probably should get a compressor down here and take care of it right. Let's see if I can see a little better here. Looks better. That's what you do. Pretty basic. And that's all.
So that's how you clean it up. Then you just close the box up, tape it closed again, and you're done. So there you go. It was pretty dirty, probably 30% or so. And that's all. Okay. Well, we'll post this. Hope you enjoy it.